Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Please forgive the crickets, it's mating season, if you understand. Anyway, we're not in downtown Paphos, we're on the Tomb of the Kings Road, and we've come to make a very, very special video for some very, very special people. We've got a great view out there over the Tomb of the Kings, out to the blue Mediterranean Sea. But before any more ado, let's introduce you to Miss Ochi Garcia Labu.
Hello everybody! How nice to see you again and again. Today is the most especially video for you. Not for you, Mr. Paul, and not for me. Angela, Stuart, great. And their lovely, lovely son, Dylan. This video is especially for you. Just smile.
Just smile. Stick with us. Angela, Stuart Gray, and your son, Dylan, we're going to storm this hotel over here. What's it called, Garcia Labu? The Avlida Hotel. There it is over there. Avlida Hotel. What a nice hotel, and hopefully we're going to storm the reception, get around the pool area, and hopefully we're going to get away with it. To give you an idea of where you are, in case you haven't been, that's the Tomb of the Kings monument, I suppose you call it, over there, an archaeological site. You can go over there, pay €2.50, and off you go. Just over there, you've got a whole array of bars, restaurants, gift shops, hire car shops, hiring buggies, all that sort of stuff. And this is now going to be the main entrance into the Albedo luxury 4-star hotel. Great swimming pool, and we're going to go and have a look at it now. Wish us luck, because we've never been in here before, so they might throw us out, which, hey, we're quite happy with. Have a look at that. Garcia Labu, what do you think? Could you sail that boat?
I could, if I would.
Oh no, here's trouble. Uh-oh, this is trouble. Garcia Labu is monkeying around. One of these days, she's going to fall on her jupper, that's for sure. It looks quite nice, not too bad. If I was you, I wouldn't be that brave. I wouldn't be that brave. I'd come down again. No. Stick with us, we're going to get down and go to the hotel. Oh no. I wouldn't. I've got a feeling there's lots of cracks in it. And I've got a feeling it'll fall into little tiny bits if you do. I think so, and I think you're teaching this young lady here bad habits, because that young lady now wants to get into that boat and copy you. Come on, Garcia Labu. Come on, Garcia Labu. Right, stick with us. There's monkeying around, monkeying. Stick with us, we're going to storm the reception of the Albedo Hotel. There's lots of nice statues and lots of features. A lot of water fountains going on. Have a look at that.
I think it's beautiful.
Very nicely done, to be honest.
Yeah.
You've got wheelchair access, a nice foyer area, another fountain over there. Let's follow the rear end of Garcia Labu, as tradition goes. Wish us luck. Here we go. So this is the downtown Tomb of the Kings Albedo 4-star luxury hotel, and we are about to storm the reception area. Look at that. That's a nice feature. That's a very, very nice feature indeed. We may come back and get that a little bit later. I like that. That would look very nice in the hallway to our house. We've got a bar area in there. We've got Gumbaros watching us absolutely everywhere. But stick with us as we proceed through the main reception area. Look at that. That's the bar area. Isn't that nice? Yes, that's very, very nice indeed. We've got a further seating area. You've got a main dining area over there. Have a look at that. Wow. So that's open for breakfast and for lunch, that's for sure. It says no entry. Doesn't normally stop us. Right, let's get out to the main event. And that main event is the swimming pool and the jacuzzi area. This is a nice seating area. Go on, Garcia Labu. Let's follow the rear end. What a very nice bar indeed it is. Stick with us. Look at that. A nice raised platform. And you can go up there and have a look out to the blue Mediterranean Sea. Come on, Garcia, let's go and have a look. Let's see what the view is actually like. Very, very nice indeed. Beautiful, beautiful evening, by the way. Hopefully you've got a room on this side of the hotel, because if you have, you're going to have a great view of the blue Mediterranean Sea. And on top of that, you're going to get to watch that set every single night, because that's where it sets, and it's absolutely spectacular. Wow. Quite a nice view. because beyond those trees, if you're on the second or third floor, you're going to see the blue Mediterranean Sea, that's for sure.
Wow, it's beautiful. You know, it's so homish, it's so compact. And it's not a very little amount of rooms, by the way. If you look from here, you can see a huge amount of rooms.
Yeah, I think it's quite a big hotel. It's quite narrow. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 across, but when you look down the side of it, have a look at that. This has got to be a 250 to 300 room hotel. That's quite a big hotel, and they've got all the facilities that you would expect from a 4-star luxury hotel. They've got a spa, they've got a resident hairdresser, they've got jacuzzis, they've got a swimming pool, they've got a dining area, and they've got a very nice bar, as you saw. Now, let's follow the rear end of Jacuzzi Le Bouffe up them stairs, Le Bouffe. Let's go and have a look. There we go. So this is the side passageway that takes us to the spectacular swimming pool to the rear. There is another entrance, obviously, but that would require us to go past the reception area and out the back door. And, well, the risk of getting stopped, well, is very, very high indeed. So stick with us. Here we go. Stick with us. This is the pool area coming up. Still quite busy, even at 6 o'clock at night. Very, very nice place indeed. Stick with us. We're going to follow the rear end of Jacuzzi Le Bouffe. Let's go that way. Have a look at that. It is very, very nice.
Look at this.
Yeah,
What I
look
like
at that.
is the colourful.
Yes. So this is the side of the hotel, and as you can see, that's a pretty big hotel indeed. That's definitely a 250 to 300 room hotel. So that means you're going to be very, very well looked after indeed. They've got all the facilities, and in the daytime, we were going to come here in the daytime, but we were stopped due to them having a DJ. So the music was that little bit too loud. Great swimming pool area. A lot of people having a great time. Let's go and show you some of the things that perhaps Master Dylan might like. Let's have a look. So we've got a child's pen over there. He's not going to want that, obviously. But here we've got some air football. Now, a lot of people like a bit of air football, Jacuzzi Le Bouffe. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yes. You've got a boat to muck around in. You've got a power dirt cart. I remember that from my younger days. I used to enjoy that. And look at that. Jacuzzi Le Bouffe will come down and have a game of pool with you, Mr. Dylan.
Bring it to me.
Bring it to me. There we are. She's going to show you her pool skills. And they're very bad. Almost as bad as her driving.
How about it?
I'm shocked. Truly shocked. Come on, Jacuzzi Le Bouffe. You've got all sorts of things going on here. Look at that. There's plenty of things to keep you entertained. That's for sure. They've even got some archery going on. Have a look at that. So you can go and get yourself a bow and arrow, Dylan. Have a little game on there. You can come with your dad and your mum and have a game of darts. You're going to have great fun. That is for sure. Receive, yeah?
You know, it's homeless. I believe so. When you come here, all of the people, any age, will find a very big fun for themselves.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think there's something here for absolutely everyone. We know in the daytime that this outside catering bar, which is there, was open, and there was people sitting here eating their breakfast and having some drinks. But, as I've said, in the daytime, there was a man sitting there operating that and playing very loud music. It was nice music, but obviously it's the kind of thing that's going to give us a strike on the copyright, shall we say. Again, out here, this is where they do the breakfast. These are to keep the mushrooms, the potatoes, the chips, the bacon, the sausage, the egg, the tomatoes and the fried bread hot. A bit of a mouthful, but that's where you come and have your breakfast. They also do barbecue area here, and we've had a little whisper that it happens on a Thursday and a Friday night, and that's where they cook the souvla, and you come and have an eat, and then you go and have a swim. Great idea. Jacuzzi Le Bouffe having a look.
This is where they keep the hot dishes.
That's right.
This is an oven. You understand?
That's right. Now, stick with us. We're going to go up because there's another raised area. We'll give another look at that pool. Very nice pool indeed. Have a look at that. Nice big pool as well. Up the stairs. We'll follow the rear end of Jacuzzi Le Bouffe. Look at that. Great view. Because we understand that this channel is about three things. Those views, your views, and of course, my views.
And also,
What have you seen?
this fountain should be.
That's right, it was there in the
falling
daytime,
down.
that's right.
Yeah.
So there's a swimming pool up here, and then the water cascades down there and into the main pool. There's a slide down there. So, Miss Angela, there's pretty much a good chance that you're going to be doing some monkeying around, and Jacuzzi LaBouffe will come down and give you a hand if you want. Have a look at that. A further cascading pool. One big pool into one small pool, all the rear end of Jacuzzi LaBouffe. You've got a raised decking area for sunbathing, very, very nice indeed. That's a very nice little feature. Great little pool for paddling around in. Not deep enough to dive in, but very, very nice. And you've got a great, great view out over the blue Mediterranean Sea. Have a look at that. Luckily, he's not shouting as us. It's not the manager, if you're thinking about that. So we're going to take you over there and show you this. We've got some AstroTurf on here. A great, great place to be sunbathing. When we reconned it, this place was full of families having a great, great time. In fact, one of the families has even left their football. So Dylan, if you like a bit of football, that's where you come. And, well, you get to kick that around, I'm sure. And your dad, Stuart, well, he'll play with you as well. You see that?
It's lovely. You know, I really think that this is a hotel where, you know, you come here as like you come to home.
Yeah, I think
This
it's
is
a
something very
family-orientated hotel.
family-orientated
I think it is,
hotel.
yeah.
Yes.
And on top of that, you've got great views. As you can see, the blue Mediterranean Sea. And if you go out the front entrance, take a left, walk for 5 minutes at a very, very leisurely place, and you're going to arrive in downtown Cato, Tomb of the Kings area. And there's a lot of bars, a lot of restaurants, and a lot of shops willing to, shall we say, make you feel very happy and take your money. Yes, I wanted to come up this way in the first place. But anyway, she never listens to a word I say, so stick with us. Here we go. We're going to follow the rear end of the Jacuzzi LaBouffe. Yes, Sass, you all right? You having a nice little break, yes? Yes. Always smiling. Look at that. Great smile on his face. Happy, happy chappy. They're having their break. And normally when the staff are happy and they smile at you, even if they don't know you, that means you're going to have a very good time indeed. So stick with us. We are now going to try and exit the same way that we came in, and that's normally when we get the trouble. There's the bar. Have a look at that. Still early in the evening. They're getting ready and prepared for the onslaught, because we understand after dinner's served, that's when people flock the bar. Very nice indeed. Look at that. Very nice features. There is the main reception area. And there's another table that Jacuzzi LaBouffe has fallen in love with. So we're going to come back with a screwdriver, unscrew it from the wall and take it with us. And I quite like that work of art.
It's just standing close to the wall. How nice table. I'm crazy of such a...
Shall we take it with us?
No,
Right, let's pick it up. Stick with us. We're going to get out. We've got away with it, and we thank everybody involved. Thanks very much. Now, in there is the side entrance into the bar. That's a very, very nice bar indeed. That is for sure. Have a look at that. Wow. Very, very nice. I like this hotel. Never been here before. This is the first time, and luckily we got away with it. Well, we'll have one then to go with us. Right, come on. Let's go. We've been after some of these chairs for a while, so we'll take it with us. Come on, Jacuzzi LaBouffe. Let's not push our luck. Let's get out. Anyway, you're going to have a great, great hotel. Angela, Stuart, young Dylan, you are going to have a great, great holiday. It's a great hotel in a great position, great location, great views. The sea is spitting distance. You've got pools, you've got fountains, you've got waterfalls. And on top of that, right on your doorstep, we live very, very close by. If you want us, if you're that dumb, give us a call and we'll pop down and Jacuzzi LaBouffe will monkey around until her heart is content. Jacuzzi LaBouffe?
Miss Angela and Mr. Stuart Gray, your lovely son Dylan. I hope, but no, I'm really sure that when you come here, you'll enjoy your stay in this homely and very comfortable hotel. We all wishing you the best hotels in the world. Please don't forget to come and see another of our lovely, silly madnesses. We're loving you to bits, and goodbye.
All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe. Please come back for a little bit more of our madness. If you've got a hotel that you want us to go and storm, Jacuzzi LaBouffe at it again. There we go. I knew she couldn't resist it. Into the boat she gets. She's going to row that boat. And can we see the rear end? Can we see the other booth? There we are. That's what it's all about. That's a very, very nice view indeed. There we go. Thanks for watching. No children were harmed in the production of this video. Oh, now this could be falling on the jumper time. There we are. Say goodbye, Jacuzzi, Labu. As I was saying, if there's a hotel you're going to stay in, apartment complex you're going to stay in, and you'd like us to go make one of our silly little videos especially for you, drop it in the comments. All we ask you to do is subscribe, and all we ask you to do is to stay subscribed. We'll make you a special video. Great pleasure in making this video. This is the Albedo Hotel, and it's a great hotel indeed. That is the main reception entrance. There's the Ray Terrace over there. Absolutely spectacular. Receive it a boot.